Sanibonani bafowethu. Ulumkile lo, yazi ukuthi bafethu bengibrowser lana online. Ngayithela nje kule debate bafethu, ngicabanga ukuthi ibiphostwe uSoccer News with General. And laphana bafowethu bekubuzwa laphana ukuthi kahle kahle who's a bigger legend for Orlando Pirates between uTeko Modise and uRele Mofokeng. Imbono obafethu ibihlukene phakathi nendawo laphana cause akekho umuntu ongathi singathi mhlambe khona bekuthiwa is a clear favorite ukuthi ngabe uyena uze bigger legend, but mina ngokwami bafowethu I don't think ukuthi kufair bafowethu ukuthi siqhathanise uRele noModise bafowethu for iOrlando Pirates, cause by far bafowethu, according to me, by far uRele Mofokeng bafowethu is a bigger legend for Orlando Pirates than uTeko Modise. I'm not saying ukuthi uModise is not a bigger legend than uRele overall, cause mangathiwa njengamanje sibheka ama-career abo bo-two so far, uModise is far ahead of uRele Mofokeng ngokuba i-legend of the game, not of Orlando Pirates, of the game. But uma kuthiwa nje siya nge-Orlando Pirates, ngeke bafowethu, uRele Mofokeng is by far ahead of uTeko Modise on being an Orlando Pirates legend. Ngizokuchaza ukuthi why ngithi uRele Mofokeng is a bigger Orlando Pirates legend than uTeko Modise. Okokuqala bafowethu, uTeko Modise, we know ukuthi uTeko Modise played around 82 games for iPirates, and kulo 32 games ngicabanga ukuthi ushaye around boma 10 goals 15 assists, which was good because phela ibhola bafethu it hasn't always been about stat, yabo, it hasn't always been about stat. Siqale manje nje ibhola ukuthi libe ngestat. Before ibhola belingekho ngestat, belina ngokuthi umdlalo wenzani, because phela uTeko Modise naye bafethu siyamkhumbula kwi-Orlando Pirates, yabona, even esha ama-celebration akhe uyena wasifikela nama-celebration okunuka ikhwapha bafethawe, and he was a gem bafethu ukuthi umbuke edlala kwi-Orlando Pirates. But uRele bafethu has done more than lokho bafethu. uRele udlale around 106 matches for Pirates, and amagoli awakorile ngicathala ku-26 nama-assist futhi nakhona adlulile ku-20, and win ama-cup ala ku-9 for i-Orlando Pirates, while uTeko Modise engasiwinelanga bafethu icup, because siyakhumbula uTeko Modise ended up having a fallout with uRuud Krol, wagcina uRuud Krol SM-exa ke la sambona khona uModise bafethu esevela kwi-Sundowns. So le debate yokuthi ngampela uRele bafethu sekukuninga kwenzile for iPirates, I think ukuthi uRele nje icareer yakhe kumanje le eOrlando Pirates is an Orlando Pirates legend, while uTeko Modise bafethu mina I don't consider him as an Orlando Pirates legend as much as I consider him as a legend of the game, and also nje as because kwi-Sundowns futhi singasho sithi is a legend and the career yakhe futhi was big for Sundowns, but for Pirates hayi bafethu it's not fair to say, to even compare these people bafethu, because uRele ukwenze konke bafethu ekungenziwa umdlali kwi-Orlando Pirates, and icup angayiwinanga for i-Orlando Pirates uRele iyodwa, i-CAF Champions League. Lawa amanye bafethu wawine wonke, siyamkhumbula ukuthi even ngisho Sundowns ko-Nedbank sabashaya nge-individual brilliance yakhe. It's not futhi ukuthi la makhapha bewawina ubewawina mhlampe eyipassenger, no. La makhapha uRele awawinile uwawine umuntu o-crucial kakhulu for i-team. It wasn't nje ukuthi ngoba ube yipassenger noma mhlawumbe ngoba khona abanye abadlali abevike ngabo, no, ube kwi-forefront bafethu of winning this. So for me nje le debate bafethu it doesn't make sense, because you can't ngampela bafethu compare, as much as they are great players bona bo-two, but uRele bafethu is far a bigger legend than uTeko Modise for Orlando Pirates. Angazi ke wena ukubona kwakho, mhlawumbe nawe ungakhomenta ngezansi usho ukuthi why do you think ukuthi mhlambe lo, uma ukuthi wena uthi uModise, why do you think ukuthi uModise is a bigger legend for iPirates, or uma ukuthi nawe uthi uRele usho futhi nakhona ukuthi why do you think ukuthi uRele bafethu is a bigger legend for Orlando Pirates than uTeko Modise, because ngampela ama-debate anje bafethu we need to have them. Sometimes ngibone kunakho ukubangwa kuphesela ukuthi yini legend. Thina asisakwazi bafethu ukuhlukanisa a former player and a legend, because khona abadlali who are former players but who are not legends of that particular team. So nje mina ngokwami le debate bafethu case closed bafethu, hamba yedwa uRele Mofokeng is a far bigger legend than uTeko Modise for i-Orlando Pirates. As much as uTeko Modise so far still usane-career that is far better than eka-Rele, because uRele usayiprova naye njengoba efika laphana ko-Belgium sisazombona ukuthi uzoqhubeka aziprove kanjani. Nje ngoba phela asiyazi naye ukuthi i-career yakhe isazoyaphi, but njengamanje sinama-hopes nathi ukuthi i-career yakhe will go up, because uModise simbonile naye edlala abafowethu ezebemdala, and nalapha kwi-Sundowns izinto azenze kwi-Sundowns is definitely a Sundowns legend bafowethu.